Hey guys, tonight I'm going to talk about what's inside my Pull&Bear bag. So guys, this bag, as you can see, is huge. It can carry so many things inside, I literally can't even explain. But yeah, this is my Pull&Bear bag. I bought it for like 25 euros and I am addicted. I love black backpacks, as you guys know. And yeah, this is my update. Let's see what's inside my bag. Let's go. So, first of all, I'm gonna start with this little compartment here. And oh my god, I don't even know what's inside of here. So this is my mirror. I use this mirror all the time. It's so cute. This is like sea punk kind of style. I bought this on Claire's when I was in Lisbon and stuff. So yeah, and I don't know what's this. So let's continue. I have some cards here. I'm not gonna show which cards are, but you guys can see I have a few cards in here. I have my ID and stuff. I shouldn't keep it here, but whatever. And yeah. Oh, by the way, this is like neon green inside. I love neons, as you guys know. I have a little perfume. This is like a body mist, sweet apple. I got this on H&M. This smells really nice. I can say the H&M body sprays are like the best, but it does the job for a bit, so yeah. Oops, I have a tissue paper. This is like mint. I love the smell. Oh, and nothing more here. So let's go to the inside. Boom. So, okay, oh my god, where should I start? Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here and you guys see that I'm taking everything off. So I have this water, pH2 water. It's like alkaline. I never tried this water before, to be honest, and honestly I think this makes wonders. I feel always hydrated. My lips are not like all dry and stuff all the time. I have a camera for when I do the photography works and stuff. This is like a makeup bag or something. I don't know what's inside of here. I don't know why I have a contact here. I have this little box that I bought on the local what's the name? Oh, at a local gas station. And my hair is starting to look like crazy as usual, but yeah, you guys know me. My hair is never good. So that's that. Magic pills. This is like from the brand Nostalgic Art merchandise, and this is made in Germany. And you guys can see Nostalgic Art, and it says, I want to believe in magic pills. So yeah, I don't know. I don't remember what I keep in here, but let's see. I have a card for my camera. I have hair elastics, and I have my piercing, my nose piercing in here. I put this sometimes when I remember. So that's that. And my license. And yeah, that's it. And why do I this gloves so much? Okay, let's continue. I have this. This is where I keep my change. I bought this on H&M. It's so cute. It says love. Love, love, love. And I have change in here. I don't know if I have money. Yeah, I have money, but I'm not gonna, whatever. I have receipts and stuff. Money. little change, and yeah, this is where I keep my change stuff. I have some here earphones. I have some glasses. I keep them here. Oh, this is like gum, paper, whatever. This is going into the garbage along with this. Oh my god, I have so many garbage on my bag. Here come more, because I sweat all the time. Are you guys sweaty? What do you guys do when you guys are sweaty? Please give me some recommendations, because I'm always sweaty, especially in summer. So that's that. I have my inhaler. I have to take this because of my asthma. Oh, I have an energy bar, vegan bar. This is cocoa and peanuts cocoa, and it's 100% natural, no sugar added. So that's a vegan bar. It's not like my favorite thing, to be honest, but I eat it just because it's healthy. So yeah, I have more paper for my gum, but oh, actually there's a gum inside. Oh, but it looks weird. No, it's good. So it's a little monster, by the way, and it's glows. Oh, I'm not gonna throw this away because I want to find more boxes like this. They're so cute. Let's see. My kid's purse, it's in here. I don't know why, but yeah. Papers. I have so much papers in here. Oh my god, I have my glasses as usual. What? More papers, tissues. Oh, I have a little zombie gum. That's a zombie. This is like so yummy. This like burns on your tongue, so your tongue gets all green and stuff. I'm gonna eat it. Don't shout, not fall. This is like an eyeliner. My friend Claudia, Small Skull, she gave this to me. So thanks, Claudia. I have some pens, and I have my keys. I have this one. I have this one. And a little flashlight. I still have this flashlight like forever, and this works. I have a little Kimi doll. I think it's Kimi. Yeah, Kimi doll. Guys, my battery died, so I had to make another video. And yeah, these Kimi dolls, these send good vibes to you and stuff. And each doll has a meaning. This is Choo Choo. The name is Choo Choo. So yeah, I have the Terminator. You guys, I love the Terminator, as you guys know already. Terminator, Lost Boys, Al Pacino, forever. And yeah, I have a little smiley for the rave music and stuff, represent forever. And yeah, it's almost, look, no more inside, only in this little. So yeah guys, I have to hurry up of showing you everything that's inside because of my battery, it's gone. So yeah, let's see really fast what's in here. I have wet wipes. Oh, look how shiny they are. I have some smokes and stuff. Don't judge me, I don't smoke this all the time. So I have another lipstick, I have a lighter, and another yeah, those wipes, and you know, guys, papers. This is like from the supermarket and stuff. Cocktails, learn how to make cocktails. I have so many papers and notes, you guys. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to put everything inside of there because I'm too lazy, and my purse is going to continue that way. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel. I really need your help. I need some subscribers, and please like this video, comment down below, send me some cool comments and say some nice things to me. I'm definitely going to appreciate that. And by the way, guys, I created a new GoFundMe page, and if you guys would like to support, just go on my GoFundMe link. I'm going to leave that in the description. So if you want to help me really a lot, I'm gonna be so happy if you could. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and my bag. Bye, love you.